Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study calculus. Begin by building a strong foundation in core concepts rather than just memorizing formulas. Consistent daily practice is crucial. Tackle diverse problem sets to solidify your understanding. Don't forget to revisit essential pre-calculus topics, especially algebra and trigonometry, as they are the building blocks for advanced calculus. This approach ensures a deeper, more lasting comprehension. To truly master calculus, actively work through example problems, breaking them down step by step. This process helps clarify complex procedures. Pay close attention to any errors you make. Understanding common pitfalls is a powerful learning tool. Furthermore, engaging with classmates to discuss difficult concepts can offer new perspectives and reinforce your own knowledge. Teamwork often makes tough topics clearer. Leverage all available resources to enhance your learning. Textbooks provide comprehensive details, while online tutorials and video lessons offer alternative explanations and visual aids. Don't hesitate to attend instructor office hours or seek additional help when you encounter difficulties. Creating flashcards for important definitions, theorems, and formulas can also significantly aid memorization and quick recall during study sessions. For exam preparation, practice solving past papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment and improve your speed. Ensuring you get adequate rest before any major assessment is equally vital for optimal performance. A well-rested mind processes information more effectively. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.